nothing to everything, the secret laws of unstoppable wealth. What if I told you that every billionaire, every empire builder, every icon you admire started with less than you have right now? No trust funds, no shortcuts, just a single burning question. What if I refused to stay here? Or over the next video, you'll decode the hidden patterns of Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, and others who clawed their way from rock bottom to royalty. But warning, this isn't a fairy tale, it's a war manual. And if you're not ready to fight for your future, click away now. Still here? Good. Let's talk about how to turn your someday into today, and maybe afford a top hat for your cat. Act 1. The struggle. 1995. Elon Musk is 24 years old. His startup, Zip2, is failing. He showers at the YMCA. He works 100-hour weeks, and his biggest fear? Not failure, but regret. What's your excuse? Too young, too broke. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first TV job. Howard Schultz was raised in a housing project. They didn't have a perfect conditions. They had rage against average. Let's be real. If Elon can sell flamethrowers for fun, you can sell your skills. But first, you have to want it like oxygen. Oprah's secret weapon? She turned her pain into a microphone. While others complained about life's unfairness, she asked, "What can I learn here?" But what happens when the world says no, and you say, "Watch me"? Act 2. The hustle. Success isn't a lottery, it's a math problem. Elon Musk's equation: sleep where you work, learn faster than the competition, bet everything on one insane idea. In 2008, Tesla and SpaceX both nearly collapsed. Musk had a choice: save himself or risk it all. He chose the lunatic option. Why? Because playing it safe is the riskiest move of all. Speaking of risk, Howard Schultz bought Starbucks for $3.8 million in 1987. His life savings? Gone. His backup plan? Non-existent. But he knew scarcity breeds genius. Oprah's overnight success took 12 years. She networked like a spy, read voraciously, and mastered the art of emotional storytelling. Her mantra? Luck is preparation meeting opportunity. Act 3. The triumph. The final law? Wealth isn't about money, it's about leverage. Elon leveraged technology. Oprah leveraged empathy. You'll leverage your unique and fair advantage if you stop doubting it exists. Asterisk. In 2021, Elon became the first 300 billion man. Oprah builder. 300 billion man. Oprah builder 2. 6 billion empire. But their true victory? Proving that your past doesn't own you. Your choices do. Still think you need a miracle? Wrong. You need a system. Automate savings. Invest in skills, not stocks. And for God's sake, stop buying lattes you don't even like. The bridge between rags and riches isn't luck, it's momentum. One disciplined hour a day. One no turned into negotiate. One decision to outwork your doubts. Asterisk. So, what's your first move? Outro call to action. Elon and Oprah didn't chase money. They chased mastery, and money followed. Your turn. Hit subscribe, smash the bell, and let's build your empire, one brick at a time.